And we highly acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Minister of Fisheries and Forests.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, for accepting the invitation to officially launch the timber treatment plant at the Timber Utilization and Research Center. Your mere presence today is of significant importance, and this indicates your support for the new direction this division and the forestry industry as a whole will now be headed towards.
It is indeed an honor for me to launch this newly installed preservative timber treatment plant facility here at the Timber Utilization and Research Division in Nasinu. This initiative is part of government's focus on the roadmap for democracy and sustainable socio-economic development to conserve and sustainably manage our forest resources in achieving higher economic growth and ensuring stability. My ministry has developed a new vision and mission to drive the fisheries and forest sectors forward from this year onwards. The new vision for the ministry states, I quote, "The leader in fisheries and forestry sustainability and innovation for small island economies," unquote. The installation of this new treatment facility is part of this big vision through the strengthening of the ministry's research and development capability to drive the sector forward in order to increase contribution to Fiji's economic growth. Government is also encouraging and strongly supporting value adding throughout the value chain, and this facility will assist in the improvement of systems and processes for product development as far as timber treatment is concerned. In addition, this new treatment plant further adds onto the various upgrading activities that had been previously undertaken at this research center. The purpose of this upgrading is to continue to improve its capability and capacity to better address the future challenges of Fiji's forest sector in terms of timber treatment. It also further expands our services to communally owned forest plantations and the provisions of timber treatment services at a reasonable cost for community and national development purposes. The protection of timber is intricately linked to resource sustainability. The increased serviceable life of the timber has a positive impact on the overall forest resources as it further delays the time needed to replace them. This again is linked to forest protection, ecosystem services, and the role of forest in addressing climate change issues, both for adaptation and mitigation. The ministry is also reviewing our national timber preservative treatment regulation to ensure continued improvement to products' quality standards, as well as improved safety for treatment plant operators. This facility will improve our ability to find out and apply new improved treatment methods that is most suitable for local applications targeting various end uses. We acknowledge the support from the Ministry of Finance and Planning for the provisions of budget and all officers who are actively engaged in the construction and installation of this new timber treatment facility. I thank you all for your presence to be part of this program and hope you will join us in the rest of the day's launching. Thank you. Pinagwalehu and Danada.
permit.
And product ready for market.